Today I'm going to be breaking down another trade. This was another long on EU. Pretty much according to plan, it was a minus 1% loss, as you can see from the YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to walk you through my process, what I was thinking, and how I took the trade loss that I took. So this was on the 19th of June, so that is a Monday. So this is the daily, and what I was seeing on the daily is that we are pretty bullish. So as you can see, we're breaking highs there, swing highs there. And overall, this is showing me a lot of momentum. So if you look at this area of price, it's very bullish. So overall, my daily bias was bullish. If we go down to the hour, then let me just skip to Asian session. So 12, yep, that's 12. So what I was looking for is we have a small fair value gap right there, I believe, something like this. Then we have some fair value gaps down here. So I was looking for price to basically come down into one of these, and there's also this perfect liquidity right there. So ideally we could come down like this, sweep sell side liquidity, and then carry on move up, which is what I was looking for. So now let's go down to the 15 and see what we can find. So what I like to do is I like to mark out the opening price, which is right there. Okay, I don't have it labeled, but this is the opening price basically, and I want to see a move down, and I want to basically buy underneath the opening price. That's high probability. So let's get to 2 a.m., which is our London kill zone, and we want to see a sweep during that time. So boom, as you can see, 2 a.m., 2:15, we get that sweep of liquidity there, and maybe even better if we get it there, but I don't really care about that. I'm hopping down to the 4 minute, and we're looking for an entry now. So we need a swing high to break, which we get there. This is a break of structure. However, does this look like it's gonna go up? I mean, we can see weakness, but this is a wick break, and wick breaks are usually very low probability. So let's see what happens. As you can see, we just went down. So these wick breaks, I just look at them as liquidity sweep. So for a valid or high probability break of structure, I like to see a body close. So as you can see, we're constantly sweeping liquidity. This becomes our new break of structure. Then let's see what happens. Okay, this becomes a high as well. Boom. As you can see again, we broke. This is with a body though, so that is a bit more convincing, but there is a large wick, and I'm pretty sure I took this though. Yeah, so there's more momentum coming in, and it leaves this gap right there. So order gets placed right there. 7 pips is around what I go for. We go there. We're below the opening price, which is high probability as well. If you want more info on the strategy or just ICT concepts in general, then make sure to check out the free trading notes down in the description below. Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you guys so much. And then go for a 2R. Let's see what happens. Yep, I remember this. So we came down very, very impulsively after basically tapping the opening price. So I was like, okay, I'll probably get taken out. Then we started going up a bit, and we eventually got taken out for a minus 1%. Overall, when I look at it, this wick probably not as convincing, but you know, I'll take it because there's a lot of wick rejections here telling me that our price is getting weak and we're more likely to go up. But that was basically the loss. I've definitely journaled it and everything, and I probably will take it again, to be fair. It's showing me a lot of momentum to the upside. Daily buys, the higher time frames are telling me to buy as well. So pretty solid trade. And yeah, so that's another trade breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed and got some value out of it. I wish you a happy trading week. Stay safe, and I will see you guys next week.